Hey everybody, Brent for Baldman KT here. In a previous video, I had shown you how to remove the BMW Z4 convertible soft top. I laid that out. That's got a step-by-step procedure. I hope you go watch that. If you're interested in tackling this job by yourself, you need to go watch that video, and that'll lay out all the steps you need to remove your convertible top. It's an easy process, and once you see that, I think you can tackle this job yourself. In today's video, we're going to discuss the reason we had to remove that top. The reason we needed to remove that is there are no serviceable parts that you can access on the convertible top without removing it for the hydraulic system. So we've got two cylinders. We have a driver's side and a passenger side cylinder, and we have the convertible top pump itself. Those are all underneath the convertible top, and you cannot access them unless you remove that top. So that's why we removed it in the previous video. Today, I have rebuilt cylinders that I've already installed onto the top, and I have some extended lines for the driver's side that I put in, and I have a new pump. This new pump, I had to replace the old one because it had got submerged in water on the drains for the convertible top. Those drains got plugged up with leaves, debris, and water filled up, and it got into that pump and it damaged it, so the pump wouldn't work anymore. So today we're gonna relocate that pump so we never have that problem again. We're gonna get that pump out back into the trunk where it's gonna stay dry. This is also going to let us be able to bleed this pump out. The other issue, if you try to put that pump back in the original spot, if you get a new pump and put it back where the factory wanted it, the issue is even if you fill that reservoir all the way up with hydraulic fluid, that reservoir is gonna drain in a heartbeat. And you'll see in this video, I actually wind up running this pump 3 times before I get all the air out of the system from replacing, again, having these rebuilt cylinders installed and 2 new lines and the pump itself. So we're gonna get into that video shortly, but there's a few things I had to do before. Again, I wanna recap. I had 2 hydraulic cylinders rebuilt and I had extended lines installed. These extended lines and the cylinders I had done by Cabrio Hydraulics. Those guys rebuild all the cylinders. They do great work. And I also had them do extended lines on the driver's side. Those extended lines will allow it to stretch, those lines to actually stretch into where we're gonna put the pump. So, and then I installed a new pump. And that new pump is going to be going in the truck. So let's get into that and we'll go through, I'll do step by step on how you are gonna run these lines and extend this pump into the trunk and never have to worry about that getting water damage again. So we did it. Our top works. We can go cruise around with our top down in the sunshine here in Florida, and our life is beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please comment down below, like, subscribe to my channel. If you want more content like this, keep following. I'll be doing some car content. I'll be doing some DIY content just across the board. So I appreciate each one of you for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you have the confidence to tackle this job yourself. Have a great one.